In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. To do this, go and open up Wise and then from the home screen click on Send. Then from here click Add a Recipient. Now go and search for the Philippine peso and select it. And then here click Enter Bank Details, then choose if it's your GCash account, someone else's, or a business or charities. I'll go with someone else's. Then from here set it to e-wallet, and for the wallet provider, select GCash. Then enter the full name of the account holder, the recipient's e-wallet number, and the city that the recipient lives in. Then click Confirm. From there you will need to enter the amount you want to transfer, then review all the details, and if it's correct, go and pay for it, and after paying for it, the money will be on its way to your recipient's GCash account. So that's how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.